Un, dos, tres.
This is the 5th day since my surgery, and today I had my 3rd appointment with my doctor, and they took out the stitches from my eyelid, and they took out the stitches on the side from the facelift. Now I have stitches behind my ears and down my hairline a bit in the back of my neck. That's coming off. A lot of the black and blue has gone. Here I still have some, as you can see. I don't know if you could tell from my neck, but I had really deep lines here. They're gone. I had a hollowness because I had a fat disposition here as well with the eyelid surgery, and that's gone. I do have swelling still, and there's numbness. That's expected. I'm happy with what I see so far. Maybe I'll turn around, maybe you could see some. But what do I have to say? Sleeping upright without a recliner, get a recliner. I didn't take the painkillers after the first day because I didn't want to. I've been taking minimal painkillers. I went to Tylenol extra strength. It's a weird sensation. I love this here. It's really cool so far, and it's only 5 days, so what can I say? It's scary, it's painful, it's uncomfortable, it's exciting. Just choose your doctor and ask a lot of questions in the beginning. I didn't ask too many questions. I just was really pleased with his work. I trusted him. I felt like he could do the work. I've seen a lot of his work, and I feel he did a good job, and I think it's going to look amazing. There's this here, day 5. I only have to wear the ace bandage pretty much at night, but I still have to sleep upright. I can shave, but I'm not going to. They just took off the stitches from the side. I don't want to really mess with shaving yet. That's it. So I hope this video is helpful. I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye.